I hope I'm audible for everyone. I'm sharing my screen. If it's visible, just type yes in the chat section. Yes, I hope it's visible now. Is it? Okay, so we already started with the networking, guys. Last time we finished with the OSI model, is it? So till the last session, guys, I hope everything is clear for everyone. Now, one topic is left about your IP address and the lab configuration. Okay, so lab configuration will be doing it. Now let's start with the IP address, guys. What is IP address according to you? Give me your definition in the chat section, everyone. What is IP address according to you? Okay, yes, I got certain response for the Samarth internet provider. No, not the internet provider, Samarth. Logical address. Yes, correct, Pankaj. Japanese internet provider. Yes. So what is that, guys? So IP address is a numeric address. Is it? A numeric address, or you can say the numeric identifier that is assigned to every device on a network. If your device want to communicate with the other devices on a network, it should be have the IP address. Got it? So let me write it down. Yes. So it's an identifier for a computer, or you can say a system or device on a network. Is it? Now, what is the next thing? Every device on a network needs to have an IP address to communicate. Okay, these are the basic things that we should know about the IP address, is it? And this is what we discussed in the last session also. Now, what is the main thing about this IP address, guys? The discussion will be it consists of the two parts. Consists of two parts. What are the two parts in the IP address, guys? Network address and a host address. Now, after this completion of this topic, you will be able to identify what is the network part and what is the host address in the IP address. Got it? This is where you need to focus on. So, what is IP address? A numeric address, or you can say the identifier that is assigned to every device on a network for the communication. Now, let's go for the next part of it. What are the two different types do we have? Yes, guys, what are the two different types we have? Two types of IP address. Yes, give me the answer, guys. Yes, IPv4, version protocol 4, and IPv6, is it? And one by one, we are going to discuss the both. Okay. So now let's discuss the IPv4 first. Then after that, we are going for the IPv6. So IPv4, guys, is the current version of IP address. Now, what is this, guys? This IPv4, it's a 32-bit numeric address. Okay. Now, before going to this part, guys, what this bit and numeric address? Yes, the no, not in deep. I just give you the idea, okay, so that you will be able to differentiate between the IPv4, IPv6, and how should you going to find it out? What is the network address to the host address? Got it? So that is a simple one that we need to discuss. Now let's focus over here, guys. What are the different data units do we have? How should we measure a data? We have the byte, bit. Is it? Yes or no? Guys, let me know. How should we measure a data? So what is the shortest data unit, guys? Shortest data unit is bit. Bit is for the binary digit. The value should be 0 and 1. Is it? After that, what we are having byte? Is it? Byte made of 8 bits. Now, guys, I'm saying over here IPv4 is a 32-bit numeric address. So what does it mean? Can anyone define me? Like what does it mean? 32-bit numeric address. It means that guys, this IPv4 is made of 32 combination of 0 and 1. There must be 32 0 and 1 which makes this IPv4. Okay. Now it's a 32-bit numeric address written as 4 number. Okay. Now let me give you example. Let's suppose that I'm taking example 66.94.234.30. So these 32-bit numeric address written as a 4 number that is separated by periods. Okay. Now what are these periods, guys? This dot from which this number are separated. Till here, this part is clear, guys. Till here, like whatever the thing that I write, read about it because everything is developing the base for the next thing. Okay, so you should be clear about these things. Then you will be able to understand the next part of it. Till here, everything is clear. Whatever thing that I write. Yes, let me know if anyone having any confusion. Okay, guys, it means that it's clear. Just go for the next part of it. Okay. Now, here, guys, I write a number 66, 94, 224, 130. Now, here, what you need to remember the number range is from 0 to 235, 255. Now, you must be wondering why it is 0 to 255, not 256, 237, or the something else. So, we will get a meaning of it. Just remember this thing the number range that for these octet must be from 0 to 255. Why till it is 0 to 255? I will let you know the meaning for it. Got it? Now, if this is a case, guys, if the first number can take 0 to 255 for the other places also, how many possible address you can get? You will get 4 billion unique address. How many thing you get? You get the 4 billion unique address from this. Okay. Now, as the internet grows, guys, number of devices are increasing, number of people are increasing. So these things are not sufficient. These number of amount of address are not sufficient for the future user. This is the reason we bring for this IPv6. Till here, everyone got the meaning of it, guys. IPv4, 32-bit numeric address. What does it mean? 32 0 and 1. Combination of 32 0 and 1. Written by 4 numbers separated by the period. Now the number rise between 0 to 255. Why it is 0 to 255? We will be having a discussion on it. Now if this is a case, so how many possible address you can form it? 4 billion unique address. Now to make you understand how the particular data will be read through the computer, let's do it by using 4-bit. Okay. Now, what is the next first discussion that we do? What you are able to get it from the IP address, network address, and the host address. Is it? This is the what we need to figure it out. Now we have the IPv4. Is it? So now in the IPv4, guys, there are 4 numbers separated by the periods. Now it's a 32-bit numeric address. 32-bit numeric address means 32 combination of 0 and how should you convert it? That is the next part of it. So now to make the conversion of it, I'm going to use 4-bit octet chart. Now in the 4-bit octet chart, what is the value that I'm having? I'm having the value this 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay, now how these value will come up? Now give me the answer, guys. If this particular address, it's a 32-bit numeric address. So what is the value of the first number? How many bit are for this first number? Yes. No, for the range I'm talking about, Mohan. I written as a range, number range. See, 0 to 255. It means that for every position you have these numbers. Now, guys, I'm asking you, IPv4 is a 32-bit numeric address. So what must be the value for this first one? 8, 8-bit, is it? Yes or no? 8-bit for this, 8-bit for this, 8-bit for this, 8-bit for this. Yes or no? Is it? This is the reason to make the conversion, guys. What we use this 8-bit octet chart. Now we have the 8 positions. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we know that in a 1 bit we have the 2 values. So see, this is the reason it come up. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and so on. This is how these value will come up. Everyone got the meaning how these value will come up in the 8 octet chart, 8-bit octet chart? Yes or no? Everyone got this value, guys, how it should become? Now give me the meaning. What is the total of it? What is the total of all these values? Yes? 255. Is it? Let's what does it mean? It means that the maximum value that you can get it from here is the 255. And this is the reason we are having this range from 0 to 255, not more than that. Now no Vedant. Again sum up it. When you sum up it, it comes 255, not 256. How it should be 225, Amitesh? Some guys, everyone able to do the simple addition. What is the value of it? Do the simple addition. Give me the final confirmation. What is the value of all this when you sum 128 plus 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1? Yes, it's a 255. See, Pankaj, why it is written? Because the range that we are having for the 8-bit, it's a 32-bit numeric address. It means that for the 8-bit for the every octet, is it? Now, if you have the 8 values, so it come up like this: 2 to the power 0 for the first position, 2 to the power 1 for the second one, till 8. This is the reason it comes to 128. I hope it's clear now how it is from 0 to, is it? Okay. Now, guys, let's convert it. So, what is the address that we have? Now, give me the meaning of it. We take this example 66.94.29.30. Is it? Now, if I ask you, I need to make this 66 by using these numbers. What do you say? What are the numbers that I use to make this 66? 64 plus 2? Yes or no? Same way I'm asking for the 94. What is the number that you use for the 94? I use 64 plus 18, 64 plus 16, is it? Plus 8 plus 4 plus 2, is it? No, how it should be 30, Mohan? Where it is 13? You need to use all these numbers that is given, not the any other part. For 94, I use this 64 plus 16, that is 80, 88, 90, 94. Everyone got it, like how these numbers are coming? Now tell me the answer for 29 and 13. Tell me the answer for 29 and 13, guys. How should you make this 29 by using all these numbers? Tell me. Yes, everyone is correct. So now for this 29 guys, what is the value? 16 plus 8, 24. For 28 plus 1. Is it? Now what I need to do, how should I convert into the binary form? Now whatever the number that you use, now see for the 66, let's take this example guys. What are the two numbers that you use? For the 66, I use the 64 and I use this 2. Now whatever the number that you use, just put 1 below them. And the number that are not used, just put 0 like this. The number that are using, put 1 below them. The number that are not used, just put 0 below them. So what is the binary value of this one, guys? If I get this number like this, the binary value come up 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now for this 94, what is the value that come up? 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Is it? Now same way for the 29, what is the value that we use? We use 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. Is it? So what is the value it become? Value become 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, then 3, 1, then 0, 1. Is it? Same way guys for the 13 also convert it. Now for the 13, what is the value? 0, 0, 0. I'm writing the direct guys. Just figure it out. So till here guys, how should you convert your IPv4 address into the binary form? Is this part is clear? Okay, repeat the conversion. Now see, you have this address. Now, how should you convert into the binary form, guys? This is the decimal form, is it? This number are written in the decimal form. To get into the binary, you need to use this 8-bit octet chart. Now, in the 8-bit octet chart, what are the values are there? These are the values are there. So whatever the IPv4 address you take, you need to take the values from here. Now see, I need to make 66. I'm only having these values. So what the value should I use? I use 64 plus 2. Is it? See, this is the reason I written. Now whatever the value that you use, just put 1 below them. Now these are the two values that are used. I'm putting 1. For the other, I'm putting 0. And that is what the binary conversion of it. Simplest one, guys. I hope everyone is clear about it. Just try to do for the 19, 94, 29, 13. You will get a meaning of it. Everyone do it. And once everyone is done, just type done in the chat section. There is no question, guys. For which IP, sir? See, this is the one. The converted from these four only, you will get a meaning of it. And once everyone is done, just let me know. Everyone got this part? Now, guys, what is our goal? Our goal is to find out the network address and the host address. Is it? So till here, what we discussed, IPv4, 32-bit numeric address, 8-bit for all. How should you convert it? By using 8-bit octet chart. How it value is coming? The number that I use, just put 1 below them. The number that are not used, just put 0. And this is how you convert to the binary. Till here, everything is clear for everyone. Give me the final confirmation, guys. Then we can go for the next part of it. Okay. 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 That's great. Now in the IPv4, guys, you have the classes. How the classes will become in the IPv4 by seeing the value of the first octet. Now these are the octets that we are calling the numbers. And by seeing the value of the first octet, you can decide this IP address lies for the which class. Got it? Now I'm writing it down. So what are the different classes do we have? Yes, anyone? See, we have the class A, is it? Now class A range for 102 to 126. Now class B is from 128 to 191. Now we have the class C, that is for 192 till 223. Now we have the class D also. Yes, we have the class D, which having 224 till 239. Class D and class E are reserved for the special purpose also. Basically, class D is for the multicasting and class E for the research and development part. So we are not going to use all these IP address, but this is how should you know. Now, if I ask you, these are the different classes that we are having. Now, by seeing the value of the first octet, you can define your class. So this example, guys, this class belong to which class? This IP address. See the first class. The value A, see? Now, give me the second one. 191.220.21.11.0. This IP address belong to which class? Look at the range, guys. You need to just see the first octet value, guys. First octet value you need to see. On the basis of that, these are the different ranges are there. See, so what we discussed, guys, I'm recalling it again. IPv4 is the current version of IP address. It's a 32-bit numeric address. Yeah, that is the homework. This is the reason. Thanks to notice, I just wanted to notice someone. You need to figure it out what this 127 is used for. Okay, why not considered in this normal IPv4 ranges? Got it? Just figure it out. If you're not able to figure it out, I will help you out. Okay, this is the reason I write the homework for you. Now, so what we discussed, this is how you can convert to the binary, and on the value of the first octet, these are the different classes do we have. Now let's go for the next part. Till here everything is clear for everyone? Yes or no, guys? Till here everyone is clear? Okay, now second thing, guys, what we discussed, there is one new term is there, subnet marks. Subnet marks. Anyone knows anything about it? Just let me know, else I will be describing this thing. So what is subnet marks, guys? Subnet marks is a number. Let me write down the definition first. Is number that resembles an IP address. Now it reveals how many bits in the IP address are used for network. Okay, guys, so this is the number. Subnet marks is a number which reveals that which part of the IP address is reserved for the network, which part of the IP address is reserved for the host. This is what we write. See, network part and the host part. Now let's figure it out. Now for these classes, guys, we have the default subnet marks. Now, what are the default subnet marks for all these classes? Let me write it down. So for class A, you have the subnet marks 255.0.0. Now for class B, what you are having? You are having 255.255.0.0. Now for class C, what you are having? 255.255.255.0. Got it? And D and E are for the special classes, so we don't have this thing. Okay, for use in the network uses, like for the general users. Class D is reserved for the multi-classing. Class E is reserved for the research and development. So these are not the classes that are used from us. So these are the default subnet marks for the every class. Till here, is this part is clear, guys? See, everything is related to each other. Don't get confused. Guys, is this part is clear till now? Give me the confirmation. Okay. Now let's again go back to our discussion, guys. Till here, if it is clear, we already converted into the binary form. See, Pankaj, what is the subnet mask in simple? Subnet mask is a number which tells that which part of the IP address is reserved for the network, which part is reserved for the host. Got it? This is the definition that we have. Now, how should you able to differentiate? Let me figure it out. So now, what is the example that we took? The example that we took is a 66.94.29.13. Is it? This is the example that we took. Now, what is the IP address? What this subnet mask of this IP address? This IP address belong to class A. So what is the subnet mask? 255.0.0.0. Is it? This is the subnet mask. So now which portion is reserved for the network? The portion that comes under the 255. So it means that this first one is reserved for the network and these 3 bits are reserved for the host. What is the network part over here? That the 66 one. What is the host part over here? This 9 other one. So the part that comes under the 255 that comes up. Now give me the meaning of the second one, guys. I'm asking the question now. Now if this is a case, so let me take the example. Now I'm giving the IP address 173.16.0.0. Tell me in this IP address which block is reserved for the network, which block is reserved for the host. Everyone here in this IP address. Yes. First of all, how should you figure it out? First, check the type. Which class is this? The IP address that I write over here belong to which class? Class B? Is it? So what is the subnet marks you can use? You can use this subnet mark. 255.255.0.0. Now what we discussed, the part that comes under the 255 belong to network. So these two belong to the network, is it? And these 2 bits are reserved for the host. Is this part is clear, guys, till now? Everyone is clear about it. I'm pasting everything that we discussed for the IPv4. Give me the confirmation if this part is clear to you. Got it? Every part, just read about it. In case you got confused anywhere, just let me know. I will repeat that part again. Okay. This is the IPv4. Yes, very clear. That's great. Give me the final confirmation, guys. See what will happen. What is the net? See, now let's suppose that you're working for the enterprise. Okay, any company is there. So you have your company's network, is it? So how should they should define a network, or how do they do the subnetting? Okay, like it's your bigger network into the smaller chunks, smaller network by using the concept of subnetting, is it? Now to do the subnetting, you need to be know about it. Which portion of the IP address is the network? Which IP address is for the host? Now host means you can assign this IP address to the different hosts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Yes, you can buy it. See, you can make it is static. For the public address, yes, you can make it static. You can buy it. You need to talk to your ISP provider. Is it clear, guys? Give me the confirmation. Yes, see, guys, let me give you an example. Now, in your home Wi-Fi, let's suppose that this is your home Wi-Fi, is it? Now you have the 3 devices, A, B, C. So now once you notice one thing, guys, in the locally in the home devices, what the IP address that you are having the different device? 192.168. What is the IP address that you are having? 19 192.168. Is it point one point something? So what is that? See what you are having in the normal form. 192.168. Is it? You can check it in your own system, guys. You can get it. 168, then point one, point something. The last bit must be different. Is it? So it's what does it represent? It represents that every device is on the this network. This is the network address of your device. Now this last one must be different. It means that these are for the devices. If it is one, it is for the first device. If it is second, that is for the second device, like this. I hope everyone able to relate it now. Yes, Amit. Is it clear to you? Everyone? See, by default, ISP provider provide it. Okay. Now, yes, for the some of the enterprise buy this thing, they can fix it because it's under the private network. So it's totally up to you. Okay. So in the VM also you can define your own IP address like 10.10.0 or something like that. You can change it. It's totally up to you. That only represent which part is reserved for the network. Like in this IP address, this part is represent for the network, and that is for the host. So if you are having the three different devices, so this part might be different if they are on the same network. This is what it means. I hope now it is clear for everyone. Yes? Okay, that's great. Now, this is for the IPv4, guys. Now let's talk about this IPv6. Okay, so that is the IPv6. So why we are having this concept of the IPv6, guys? Because in the IPv4 we only get, why the business having the host name? Bhushan, do not get confused. See what we discuss about the IP address. Every device that want to be communicate have the IP address. Is it 192? It could be anything. Now, how should you differentiate it? Like which, what is the network of this particular IP address that you are having? What is the network address? So you can easily able to do it by using the subnetwork. This is what we are discussing. Your device, see, as of now you are having the laptop that also having the IPv4 address. It doesn't mean that you are doing the business or not. No, that is essential for the every device. They will get it. Got it? But for the enterprise, they are having the different thing because they need to distribute their network. Okay, so they are doing the subnetting thing. Yes, they have the host name. But here we are not discussing. See, here we are saying which part of the IP address is reserved for the network, which part is reserved for the host. Host means like this. If this part is reserved for the host, it means that you can change the values from here. Got it now? Everyone, is it clear now? Can we go for the IPv6? Okay. Now, guys, let's discuss about this IPv6. Okay. So in the IPv6, guys, is the next generation of the IP address. Next generation of IP address. Now, this one is a 128-bit hexadecimal address. Now, guys, when I try this hexadecimal, what does it use? Hexadecimal use both numbers and alphabet. Okay. Earlier we are having this decimal, guys, where we are having the number from 0 to 29. Now we are having dealing with the hexadecimal, which means that it uses both the number and alphabet. Now for the example, I'm giving one IP address, how it should be look like: 76TC4F5934CF 71CD9DC6. I'm writing any random one, don't worry about it. I will get you the meaning of that. Okay. 45D66782. Okay. Now It's a 128-bit hexadecimal address, guys. It means that 128 combination of 0 and 1. Okay. Now, when this is the case, how many unique address you get? You get 340 undecillion. What do you get? You get 340 undecillion address, guys. What does it mean? It means that 36, 340 with 36 digit after that. This is how the long the number is, and that is sufficient for the future use. Now, guys, let's convert it. Now, first what we see? First we see that how we convert to decimal to binary. Now, this time what we do? We convert binary into the IPv6 address. Okay. So let me write it down. So I'm writing one number 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 Okay. Now 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 because it's a 128-bit address, guys. So every bit is for the 16-bit. Okay, 8 sets of 16 bits. How many sets are there? We are having 8 sets of 16 bits. Got it? So you are having the 8 one. So I am just copying it out. So that is for the reference, guys. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. So I'm copying for you because we just convert one is starting one. Okay. And once we convert the starting one, you will get the meaning of everyone. Now to get the things done, guys, to get convert into the IPv6 form, we are having the 4-bit chart. Why we are having this 4-bit chart? Because every hexadecimal character, guys, every hexadecimal character over here represents what? 4-bit. You can convert a binary digit 4-bit at a time to get a 1 hexadecimal character. Okay, this is the reason we are having this 4-bit chart. Now in the 4-bit chart, what are the different values we have? We have 8, we have 4, we have 2, we have 1. These are the 4 values that we have. Now let's convert it. So just take the starting 4-bit. What is the starting 4-bit we having? 0010. So I'm putting a value 0, 0, 1, 0. Now if this is a value, what is the value comes up? 2. Yes or no, guys? Now convert the second bit. What is the second bit is saying? 0, 1, 1, 0. What is the value comes? 6. Now convert the next one. What is that? 1, 1, 0, 1. What is the value that comes up? 8, 14, 13. Now once it is come to the double digit, guys, here you need to note it down. You can't represent a hexadecimal character into the double digit. What do you want to know? You can't represent a hexadecimal into the double digit. So how should you resolve it? So to do so, we are having the different chart. Whenever it comes to the double digit, what is the chart that you need to follow? You are having this chart A, that is represent 10. We having B, represent this. Now C, you are having bar. D, you are having 13. Now E, you are having what? 14. Now F, you are having what? 15. Now give me the whole conversion of this bit, guys. Convert 4 bit at a time and let me know what is the value you can get. Everyone need to do it. Take 2 minutes of your time. I already pasted in the chat section. Give me the value of this first bit. See, whenever it comes to double digit, use these values. Otherwise, you can use this 4-bit chart. Convert it and get me the meaning of it. still here, everything is clear for everyone. Give me the final confirmation. Yes. Is this part till here? Everything is clear about it. Okay. Now, guys, two more things that we are having. Again, these IP address can be categorized into the two form. That is a public address, public IP address. Now, how should you check for your public IP address, guys? Go to the browser and just search what is my IP. This IP address is provided from your ISP provider. What is my IP address? Just search on it and see. I'm getting this part. I'm pasting this URL. That help us you to do the communication outside your network. It's provided from the ISP provider. It's unique on the internet and it's used for the communication outside of your local network. How should you see it? By using this thing. Just go to the browser, search what is my IP address. Everyone. Now, how should you check for that? Your private IP address, go to the start and just search CMD. Open the CMD and just type a command ipconfig over here and check. You will get the details of your network adapter along with the IP address. What is the IPv4 address? This is the IPv4 address. So that is used inside the local network. It's not visible over the internet. What is this one? Private for Windows. What we are having? ipconfig. And for this Linux, what you are having, or the Mac, ifconfig. These are the two commands by which you can see. Which part I need to repeat, Amit? Public address provided from the ISP provider, your internet provider. It must be unique on the network that used to communication outside of your local network. How you can see it? Just go to the browser and search what is my IP address. Click on the link. See, this is my IP, public IP address. And if you are using the VPN and the other part, it got changed. Similar way, second thing is your private IP network. How should you check it? Go to the start, open the command prompt, type ipconfig. You are able to see your network detail along with the IP address. Guys, still here, everything is clear for everyone. Give me the confirmation. Yes. Give me the confirmation, guys. Is this part is clear for everyone? Guys, I'm not getting any confirmation. Okay. Now let's go for your lab configuration part. So those who not still not able to download it, guys, I'm sharing the link again. These are the three machines that are required. Okay. Now let me something about this. These one that we are downloading. First, we are having this VMware, guys. What is this VMware? VMware is a machine which help us to create the virtual machine. It's just a hypervisor. Now, virtual machine in that sense, as of now, I'm using the Windows system. I want to use a Linux in my machine. I want to use different Windows. So I can create these virtual machine inside my system so that I can able to access it. Second thing, you are having the Kali. So Kali is the pen testing machine, guys. Okay, which is based on the Linux. And in your course, you are going to use the two kinds of machine. One is the attacker machine, where you're planning all your attacks. Now, for this attacker machine, you need one victim also. And this is where the Windows come up. That is your victim machine. So you're going to plan your attacks and hacking with this Windows one. This is the reason we downloaded all these free files. Now let's go for the installation part. Have you downloaded the file, guys? Everyone able to download it? Is this downloading part is done? Okay. Now let's go for the installation, guys. So now for me, this is the VMware. This is the same file that you downloaded. Simply just right click, open. The VMware file that you downloaded from the link, guys, just right click and open. Now if it is asking for any permission, just click on yes. Now it is asking the permission, I click on yes. Now see, this is how it will show up. Guys, I hope it's visible for everyone. Now see, now click on next. Once it is open, next, next, next. Okay, let me remove it. Then I can do the fresh installation. Okay, let me remove it from my machine. No, for the Mac, I'm share the different file. Guys, those who are using the Mac, just let me know in the chat section. For the Mac, I'm sharing the different one. These are for the Windows operating system, guys. For the Mac, let me share the file. I'm sharing the file for the Mac user, guys. So for the Mac, you need to use this UTM first. Guys, this is for the Mac user, guys. For the Mac user, you need to use this UTM. Okay. Now, second file I'm sending you. I'm sharing it. Yes, I will share it at the end, guys. Prajwal, don't worry about it. I will share it, okay? Guys, I've shared Amita, sorry. I shared the link for the Mac users, ParaTOS and the UTM Mac. Please do download it. Those who are using this Mac, guys, I will help you to just share the screen, okay? Once I did the installation, then we can go for that part. Now, guys, I'm sharing my screen again. Let's do that installation part. So VMware Pro, what we need to do, guys? Right click, open. Now right click, open. If it is asking for any permission, click on yes simply. See, it is asking me permission. I click on yes. Now once I do so, the welcome screen will come up. See guys, this is the welcome screen that is coming. Once you open that VMware file, click on next. I accept. Next. Next. Now some people get some Windows, install Windows hypervisor over here, the checkbox at the bottom. If you are getting that checkbox, just click on it. Otherwise, click on next, 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 install, like this. VMware is done, guys. For everyone, it is done. Give me the confirmation, those who are done with the VMware. No, for the VM, see, yes, it will work for the Mac, but for the compatibility issue, you need to use the UTM. That is the same application, guys, which help you to create a virtual machine. So for the Mac, I'm sharing the different file. Just use these one. Okay, your is downloading, Amita. Not an issue. You will share it. The yes, I shared it. Anup, check the chat section. For the Mac, I shared two files, ParaTOS and the UTM. Now, guys, see, it is installing. Now, once it is done, click on finish. Now, see, it is downloaded. It is installed over here in the desktop. Double click on it. Now, if it is asking you the license key, use the personal use. Click on the option first, personal use, and see, this is how it gone created over here. Now it is installed for me, guys. Now I'm going for the next part. Till here, everyone is done. Not for the Mac user, guys. I'm asking about the Windows. Are you able to open this thing? VMware Pro. Yes, are you able to open it, guys? Okay, going on, that's great. Not an issue. It will take a time, guys. It will take a time. And just repeating the process, you will get a recording. Now, second, this is the Kali Linux file that you downloaded, guys. Just right click, extract. First extract this file. I'm going to extract it. See, that's it, the zip file. Right click, extract. Extract all. Extract in a folder. Now let it be done. Showing you error, do one thing. Just go to the browser and search download 7-zip. Download 7-zip like this. Download this application from here. I'm sharing the link, direct link. Just try to extract by using this application. It will not give you any error. Vedant and Sai, I give the link. How should you extract it by using the application? Install this application first. Right click, 7-zip, extract to the Kali Linux like this. Now guys, once it is extracted, see for me it is extracted over here. What I need to do? I go to this VMware, select open a virtual machine. Open a virtual machine. I go to this download folder, open that folder, select that file, open. Now it is made for me. See, machine is created. Now power on, it will start. No, Prajwal, see, you can use the Ubuntu, but for the Ubuntu, you need to configure your tool individually, is it? Now that is the full package of the Kali. Now username is Kali, password is Kali. Mohan, first download the 7-zip is downloaded. Install it, right click, open that file, setup file. Allow all the permission. Do the install. Now see guys, Kali Linux is done. What is the default username and password that I type? I type the password as a Kali is the username. Password is also Kali. Same. Guys, let me know you are done with this or not. Everyone, tell me you are done with that. Everyone is done with the Kali Linux. Those who are having trouble, let me know one by one in the chat section. I will help you with the screen access thing. Guys, those who are not done with this Kali Linux, let me know. Those who are having issue, let me know in the chat section. If you are done with that, just type done in the chat section. Okay, Mohan, just give me. Okay, not an issue. See, Samas, why we are not preferring this VirtualBox was because there are certain tools which are not compatible with VirtualBox. Okay, this is the reason we use this VMware. It's totally up to you. If you want to go with the VirtualBox, you can go so. Mohan, I giving you the access to share the screen. Share me. Mohan Sai, I giving the access to share the screen. Share me. Those who are getting trouble, guys, let me know. Mohan, I give you the access to share the screen. Okay, just show me. Just wait. Go to the location where you have the Kali Linux file. Show me the Kali Linux file. Yeah, right click. Right click. Now go show more option. Click on show more option. Last 7-zip. Third option. Fifth option. Extract to the Kali Linux. Click on it. See, it is done. Now go to the VMware. Where is your VMware? First option. Use VMware for the personal use. Continue. Finish. Open a virtual machine. Yes. Go to the download. Select the Kali Linux folder. Select it. Select open. Now power on. Power on is written na at the center. Yeah. Do not show this hint again. Okay. Now it is done. Okay. Thank you. Guys, I hope everyone is done with that. Give me the final confirmation now. Is it done for you? Everyone, those who done it, just type yes in the chat section. If we are having a trouble, let me know. Anyone having any trouble? Okay, now let's go for the Windows, guys. Now see, this is the Windows file that we downloaded. How should you make for the Windows? Let's go for that process. And guys, still if your internet is slow, you're not able to download a file, you have a chance. You can watch the recording, else drop a mail to the support. I will help you out in the one-to-one session. Don't worry about it. Okay? I will help you out. Now guys, for the Windows system, what I need, let me download the file first. For me, I guess it's not downloaded. In the meantime, guys, download the file. Now guys, for the Mac people also, I'm sharing the Windows file. Window for the Mac. Those who downloaded from the earlier one, that is for the Windows system. Now this is the link that you use for the Mac people. Okay guys, so just wait for 5 minutes, let it be download. After that, I will explain you the process for the Windows. Okay, in the meantime, please do download it. In case you are having any issue, let me know in the chat section. Guys, in the meantime, please do download the file because for me it's 2 minutes left. After 2 minutes, I will start doing the process for the Windows 11. I'm sharing it for all the links for the Mac people, guys. Please do focus. I'm sharing it again for the Mac, all three files, okay? Check in the chat section, I shared it. Okay, see, I'm sharing my screen again. Please do check it. Now for me, it's downloaded. For the Windows, what I need to do? I go to this home. See here, what we are having option. Create a new virtual machine. Everyone, please do focus. Create a new virtual machine. Okay. Next, I will install this operating system later. Next, now what kind of guest operating system? Windows. version 11 into 64. Just go with the default. Next. Here password ABCD1234. I'm making a password ABCD1234. That's not for your VM, but just for the encryption purpose. Next. Stored disk as a single file. Next. Finish. Now see, your machine is created like this. Till here, is it done? Guys, give me the confirmation. Till here, is it done or not? Are you able to create this machine? Simply next, guys, nothing else. I will install this operating system later. Now after that, you will be able to see this screen. Windows 11 64. Till here, is it done, guys? Give me the more confirmation. Those who are still having downloading a file, guys, network issue, please do complete it after the class. Now after that, here we are having the option edit virtual machine setting. Click on edit a virtual machine setting, CD/DVD. Click on use ISO image file. Use ISO image file over here. Click on that browse button and go to the location where you downloaded the file. For me, this is the location. I selected this file, open. Okay at the last. Now it is done. See, Windows 11 is created. Now here you need to remember one thing, guys. Once you select this ISO file, once you click on this power on, instantly you need to double click and 2-3 times enter. Otherwise your machine will not boot up. What does it mean? I click on power on. See, it is started. Now I need to click 2-3 times left click enter button. If I'm not able to do so, see, if I'm not able to press enter, it will be timeout. If it is timeout, again restart it. How should you do so? Again, go to over here in this drop down, restart guest. Now what should I do? Again, it is restarted. I click and enter, click and enter, click and enter. See, you will get this Windows logo. If you are getting this Windows logo, it means that it's started. Now I'm repeating the process, guys. Do it, click and enter, restart it, click and enter. If your mouse got stuck, Control plus Alt. What is the key combination you can use? Control Alt at the same time. If your mouse got stuck, it will free your mouse. Now see, it is started like this. Now next, no need to do anything. Next, I agree. Next, I don't. If it asking product key, click on I don't have product key. I don't have product key. Option, which option you need to select? Windows 11 Home in. Second one, Windows 11 Home in. Now next, Bhushan, restart it again. You need to press Control plus Enter at the same time. Then it will you get the Windows logo. After that, accept. Now let's wait for it. Let me complete the process, guys. I will repeat it again. Now see what I need to do. Next, over here also. Guys, it's a simple step. Just click on simply next, nothing else. Install. And see, it will start downloading it. Now I'm repeating the process, guys, those who are missed from the starting. And although you will get a recording, guys, don't worry about it, okay? So now what should I do? I'm deleting this machine and creating a new one. So I'm deleting this one. Now, guys, I'm start from the starting. I'm repeating. Create a new virtual machine. This one option. Next. I will install this operating system later. Third option. Next. Now Windows 11 64. Next. Next. Password. Set the password ABCD1234. Confirm password ABCD1234. Next. Store disk as a virtual install file. Next. Finish. Now it is created. See, your machine is created like this. Now once it is created, edit virtual machine setting. Edit virtual machine setting. Now after that, CD DVD. Click on CD DVD. Now here, use ISO image file. Click on that browse button. Now after that, Windows 11. Select this Windows 11. Open. Okay. Now see, machine is selected. Now guys, you need to remember, once you click on power on, instantly you need to enter and double click at the same time. See, click and enter like this. Click and enter same time. Let's click and enter. If you do so, you will be, see, if it is you're not able to do it on time, it will show you timeout. So in that case, what should you do? Again, you need to restart your machine. Go over here, restart guest. If you're not able to do so, restart it again over here. Now again, I'm doing the same thing. Click and enter. Click and enter. See, again, it's not happening. I'm doing it again, restarting. So those who got stuck over here, just remember it, this guys. So sometime it's happen, you're not able to do so. You need to keep trying it one or two more time. Okay, then it will work. Now see guys, it has started for me. I hope it's clear now. Now again the same step guys, I'm performing it. See, next, simply next, no need to do anything. Next, next, I agree everything. Next, I don't have product key. Now Windows 11 home and next. Now do not show this hint again, okay? Now I agree, accept, next. Now decks come up next. No need to do anything guys. Next, simply next, nothing else. Now install. Now let's wait. Guys, if anyone having any trouble, let me know. I repeated the process twice. And you will get the recording, those who not able to download it. Just do it after the class. Now let it be done. Giving the access to share the screen. RF, I'm not able to recall the name, but I'm giving you to access to share the screen. Check, I give you the access to share the screen. Share your screen now. Share the screen, I give you the access. For other people, do it like this. If you're getting any trouble, any error, let me know. No, Amita, see, for the Mac people, I share the different file. For the Mac people, you just need to download these three files only. Windows 11 home and yes, second. Yes, sign. Yes, Mohan. That is the one. Okay, if you already had a setup, no need to do it again. That could be fine. Windows 10 is also fine. No need to do it again. You already had a setup, see? You don't need to do any, guys, those who already had a lab setup, no need to do anything. It's just for the people who not done it. Okay? So you can use it. Don't worry about it. Yes, that these three files are for the Mac people, okay? That is for the Windows. Not an issue. You can remove one machine if you download it twice. Yes, Bhushan, if it is coming timeout, this is the reason I say you restart it machine again. Do the same thing. Left click enter. Left click enter. It will start. See, for me also 2 3 times happen. It's quite obvious. It will happen. Do it 2 3 times. It will work. How should you restart it? See, at the top you are having this option. Go here, restart guest. Okay, Bhushan, you can share the screen. Just wait. Let me give you the access. Check, I provide the access. Share the screen. Yes, yes. Listen, once you click on this power on button, you need to left click and enter at the same time. Do it left click, enter, left click, enter. Click on OK first. OK. Now left click and enter at the same time. Left click, enter. Left click, enter, same time. Do it, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4 times. So Bhushan, have you attached the file? Power off this machine, power off. Close the tab. Close the tab first. Select power off. Try to close the tab. Yes. Power off. Click on edit. Select Windows 11 again. Click on it. Just simply click on it. Now edit virtual machine setting. Yes. Click on CD DVD. Use ISO measure. Yes, sir, you not selected the file. So how should it start? Go to download. Select the file first. Open. Okay. Now do the same thing. Okay. Now power on. Power on. Now left click and enter. Left click, enter, same time. See, it is started now. Now guys, I'm repeating the same thing again over here in this Bhushan screen. Please do focus those who are still left. Click on I don't have product key. I don't have product key. Then next. Left corner. I don't have product key. Windows 11 home and second option. Yeah. Windows 11 home and next. I accept next. 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 Yeah. Install. That's it. Okay. Guys, I'm again sharing my screen. I hope it's visible for you. See, it is started for me. So it will take a time, guys. Okay, it's a long process. You need a good internet connection for that. If it is failing, do that process again. Here it is asking me. So if you want to select that India, you can check it over there. If you're not able to get it, just go with the default. Okay. So see here it is India. I'm selected India. Yes. Sometimes you will get this reason, OV reason issue. Okay. So you can click on skip or click on try again. Now keyboard, go with the English India. Yes. Escape. Okay, guys, so this is the process that you need to follow. Okay, this is a simple process. In case you're not able to download a file, just watch the recording. Now I'm sharing this notepad file, guys. I'm sharing this link of this notepad file. Please do download it. Okay, because it contains all the link and the discussion that we did today. So I'm sharing it out. Check in the chat section. I'm sharing one link to you.
In case you are having any trouble, let me know in the chat section, guys. Check, I'm sharing it, guys. Guys, I pasted the link in the chat section. Those who want to download this notepad file, please do download it from there. So that is the process that we need to follow for the configuration. I hope, guys, the process is clear for everyone. It's just pretty simple. Download the VMware, extract the Kali Linux, open a virtual machine. In case of Windows 11, create a new virtual machine. Next, next, next. Select your ISO file, power on. Then again, next, next, next. Nothing else. Is it clear for everyone, guys? Give me the confirmation. Is it clear for everyone? Guys, give me the confirmation. Okay. Okay, so that's it, guys, for the today's session. Thank you so much. Now you can leave, follow the recording, do the setup. In case if you are getting any trouble, just drop a mail to the support@intellibyte.com. I will help you out. Okay. Thank you so much. Yep. Good day for all. Yes. I shared it, Mubarak. Check the chat section again. I'm sharing the link again. This is the notepad file, guys. You can download it over here that I'm sharing in the chat section. Any device name, Mohan. Put any device name and click on next after that. Yes, name of the device you need to give it from your own. Okay, so Anoop, if you are downloading the Mac files, download the file and drop a mail to the support. I will help you out in the one-to-one session. Okay. For the Mac people, guys, once you're done with the file, just drop a mail to the support. You will be having a one-to-one session for your lab setup because that is the entire completely different process. Prajwal, I shared this notepad file detail. Check it in the chat section. I shared one drive link. You will get that notepad file over there. Check it. I shared it. Check in the chat section. I shared it. I hope everyone get it, guys. Thank you so much. Yes. Have a great night. In case you're stuck somewhere, just follow the recording or drop a mail to the support at the rate intellipad.com.